stylish and supremely muscular, and he is
Tan,
Saqib
tan,
Salim.
tan. What's up, guys? What's up?
So Saqib is coming up with a music video.
Yes.
How cool is that, Saqib?
So yeah, there's a music video that I'm doing with T Series, which has got me and Taapsee Pannu in it. It's a song that's sung by Shan,
Right.
music's by Amal Malik, and it's a beautiful melody. We've just shot for it in Goa for 3 days, and yeah, you will see it in June.
Right, so it's gonna be releasing in June.
Yeah.
But tell me, is it a remake of some song? Because we've seen T Series doing.
No, it's an original song, as in it's a new song, it's a new melody, and Shan has sung it superbly. Like I've always been a Shan fan while growing up, and now he's singing for a single that I'm doing. How cool is that?
That's very cool. So Saqib, talking about music, what role does music play in your life?
Okay, I'll be honest. I like music, but I'm not crazy about music. The only time I listen to music is when I'm in the car. Honestly, I don't wake up to music. I don't even gym to music. I like to work out in isolation. That's how I work out. But music does play a part in changing my mood. If I'm stressed about something, if I'm angry about something, and I play a song that I like, it'll ease me down a little. So yes, music does play a part in my life.
And the top songs in your playlist right now?
Right now, I'm listening there's one Coldplay song that's always on my playlist called Magic. That's always there. And right now there is, I love A.R. Rahman. In fact, I attended a concert of his at O2, which was brilliant. मतलब goosebumps हो गए थे यार to hear him perform live. So उनका music है. There's this song called अगर तुम साथ हो
Right.
from Tamasha. I think that is a superb song. उस गाने को ना सुन के ऐसा लगता है कि दिल टूटना चाहिए सबका. वो वाली feel आती है उसमें से. So that's one song I really listen to. Then anything man, Lean On, all these other songs, whatever's playing on the radio sometimes. It's just, I also like music to surprise me. I don't want to know what I want to listen to. I just want to listen to a new tune that just catches my fancy. That's it.
You just said that तमाशा दिल टूटे, कभी real life में दिल टूटे?
Oh, सबके टूटे हैं यार, बहुत टूटा है मतलब दर्द हुआ है दिल में. कॉलेज में बहुत हुआ है.
Right. So favorite singer?
Favorite singer, I really like Mohit Chauhan. I think he has a very nice voice, and I would want him to sing for me one day with A.R. Rahman doing the music. That'll be it. Life बन जाएगी इसके बाद में.
Saqib's wish list. I hope Mr. A.R. Rahman is listening.
Sir, सुन लो please sir.
So since your music video has been shot in Goa, tell me what 3 things you look forward to when you visit Goa.
3 things I look forward to: the beach, the sun, and some Goan food. Man, Goan food is the best food.
You have this amazing bunch of friends in Bollywood. I've seen a lot of pictures. You upload them.
Okay.
So अगर इनके साथ गोवा विजिट करना हो तो कौन होंगे वो?
कौन होंगे? मैं गोवा
ये
जाऊँगा.
सारे तो
I'll be honest, I don't have a lot of industry friends, and it's not that because I'm not friendly. I'm very friendly, but it's just not happened as such. And whoever I work with, I'm friendly with. So, but if I want to go to Goa, there you go. And I won't take my friends. I would take the friends I grew up with, all my college and my childhood friends. I would go with them.
alright. You need to name one actress. You would go on a casual dinner with, or a romantic dinner with.
Both with her. I'll meet her casually also, and if she's मतलब, we'll figure that out, yeah, when we get there.
And anyone in Bollywood?
I'd like to work with everybody, yeah. Or casual dinner date किसके साथ मतलब यार, there's so many pretty girls. I'd be a fool not to go out on a casual dinner date with somebody like Alia or Shraddha or all these girls. They're pretty, very talented girls.
What is your favorite one-liner in life?
Chill करो यार, सब हो जाता है.
Nice one. Song that describes you the best.
Song that describes me the best. या हो चाहे मुझको जंगली कहे तू कहने दो जी कहता रहे हम प्यार के तूफानों में गिरे हम क्या करें.
What makes you angry instantly?
Yeah, if I wake up and if I have people shouting in the house or even outside the house, I get damn pissed off.
Right. So
I like peace in the morning. सुबह उठो, अखबार पढ़ो, अपनी कॉफ़ी पियो, आराम से लो, take your half an hour, 45 minutes, and then do what you want to. It's your alone time in the morning. Now you're thinking about what you did yesterday. You're reflecting on that. You're thinking what you have to do now next.
right.
मतलब यू नीड दैट टाइम, उसमें चिल्लाते रहेंगे तो बहुत डिस्टर्बिंग।
खटपट नहीं पसंद सा
बिल्कुल नहीं।
at all. What is the naughtiest thing that you've ever done?
अब बता दूंगा तो नॉटी नहीं रहेगी ना, नॉटी चीज़ वही होती है जो पकड़ी नहीं जाए और खुद को पता हो कि है।
फिर भी कुछ तो किस्से होंगे ना, अब इन्होंने बोल दिया बहुत नॉटी, इनके एक्सप्रेशंस भी देखे बहुत नॉटी वाले।
नहीं मतलब वो मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहे हो, मेरे दोस्तों से पूछो, मेरी बहन से पूछो, वो आपको बताएंगे मैंने क्या किया। अपनी तारीफ कैसे कर सकते।
What is the one thing that you find annoying about girls?
I don't find girls annoying यार।
How? I mean, I find it as a girl. How come you?
No, I just feel sometimes तैयार होने में बहुत
Right.
टाइम लग जाता है यार, वो थोड़ा because I have a sister and sometimes we both are going for events, so मैं 10 मिनट में तैयार हो जाता हूँ, but Huma takes a while, so कभी कभी वो annoying होता है और बाकी तो कुछ ऐसा यार girls are damn fun यार, मतलब बहुत अच्छी लगती है
He's being
मुझे।
very honest.
सच्ची बिल्कुल दिल से बोल रहा हूँ मैं एकदम।
तो ऐसी सारी लड़कियों को एक मैसेज दे दीजिए कि प्लीज जल्दी तैयार हो जाए करें लड़कों के बिहाफ पे।
नहीं मतलब टाइम लो, लड़कियों को टाइम भी लेना चाहिए, बट इतना टाइम मत लो कि लड़का तैयार होकर सो जाए यार। तो थोड़ा मतलब 20-25 मिनट बहुत होते हैं आई थिंक तैयार होने के।
बहुत कम है वैसे।
क्या बात कर रही हो, 20-25 मिनट में मैं तैयार होकर पार्टी पे जाके वहां से वापस भी आ सकता हूँ।
सच्ची?
और नहीं तो क्या।
ऐसी कौन सी पार्टी है जिसमें आप
मतलब जहाँ कोई ऐसी पार्टीज नहीं होती जहाँ तुम्हें सिर्फ शक्ल दिखानी होती है कि मतलब
Formality.
फॉर्मेलिटी के लिए जाना होता है। 25 मिनट तैयार हो, 10 मिनट में 5 मिनट जाओ
I
उधर
know.
और निकल जाओ बस।
Alright, so
और तुम तभी तक तैयार होती रहना हैं, लड़कियां मतलब यू।
right. One topic that you love to give ज्ञान about in life to everyone.
दोस्ती, आई थिंक इट्स द बेस्ट थिंग इन द वर्ल्ड, फ्रेंडशिप। एंड मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आता है अपने दोस्तों को उनका ज्ञान लेना, अपना ज्ञान देना, बातें करना पुराने टाइम की, स्कूल कॉलेज की। मुझे बड़ा ये चीज़ें बड़ी फैसिनेट करती है, पता नहीं
Nostalgic हो जाना
क्यों। मैं हूँ थोड़ा सेंटी टाइप यार, मुझे ना अपने दोस्तों से बहुत प्यार है जिनके साथ मैं बड़ा हूँ, तो यार दोस्ती के बारे में ज्ञान देना मुझे अच्छा लगता है।
That's what Sakib likes first, is it? And since you also coming up with more other things, working in Nisho, tell us something about that, because मुझे पता चला आप उसमें बहुत ही ऐसा रोल कर रहे हैं, cricketer या something related to a cricketer.
I play cricket in the film.
And you like cricket in real life as well?
I used to play cricket in real life. I was a state level cricketer back in Delhi. I've played a year of state level cricket from Kashmir. My mother's Kashmiri, so I shifted there for a year. And I played a year from that, from Kashmir. And I captained my college side. And then suddenly I became an actor.
How come?
I don't
ये
know.
तो जैसे आपने बताया ये जर्नी तो मुझे लगता है सीधे क्रिकेट फील्ड पे जाके खत्म होनी थी।
मतलब when you're growing up, क्या होता है, you sometimes enjoy what you do,
Right.
but you also realize कि यार तू इतना अच्छा है कि इंडियन टीम में आ जाएगा। And I'm a very realistic kind of person. So if I feel something, I tell myself कि यार तू अच्छा खेलता है, तू enjoy करता है, continue it, but find a career option that you want to go for. And hence acting happened. And then within that space, within acting, now is getting a chance to be a cricketer. I'm like, why not? Yeah? Let's be a cricketer. That's all I wanted to be in my life, and I get a chance to do that on screen where I'll have a larger audience to be
Right.
watching that. So it's a very very good feeling.
And have you played cricket on the sets with Jacqueline, Varun?
I played a lot of cricket. I'm the only one playing cricket in the film. So yes, I have played cricket with my bunch of teammates and stuff.
And you obviously would be having scenes with them. So how is it working with them?
They-
सेट के बारे में बताइए, कुछ ठिशुम वाले moments बताइए.
It's a very fun set. It's a set where everybody really enjoys each other's company, and I had a great time shooting with all these guys. Varun and John especially, I shot with them also. So they're very fun people. I shot a lot with Akshay Khanna. He's also very good to work with. He's an actor I've really enjoyed watching. So it was good to work with him. So it's a fun set, yeah. It's a full action-packed set. There's a lot happening in the film. There's a lot happening on the set. So when the first look comes out, you'll be like, हाँ, ये सही कह रहा था, बहुत कुछ हो रहा है इस picture में.
Also, you're coming up with your sister. You're sharing screen space with her.
Yes, correct. We're doing a film together called Dobara. It's an official remake of Oculus.
That's right.
And it's a very nice story. And it's a very good Hollywood film. It's an official remake and we finished shooting for the film. It's a film that I'm really proud of, and it's very close to me. Because in a way it's like my home production. Me and my sister coming together. We've always wanted to work together,
Right.
but पता है क्या होता है,
Correct
कभी
story या
मतलब
script नहीं मिल पाता.
सोचा नहीं था कि इतनी जल्दी मिल जाएगी
जी.
मतलब, and it came and both of us had great parts in it and we like okay लेट्स डू दिस यार. तो बहुत मज़ा भी आया, बहुत अनबन भी हुई, वो भाई बहनों में होती है.
हाँ.
तो वो भी हुई, बट बहुत मज़ा भी आया. एंड नाउ द फिल्म इज रेडी. आई हैव सीन द फिल्म एंड इट्स अ वेरी गुड फिल्म.
And what was the family's reaction? दोनों बच्चों को एक साथ देखना. What did your
अभी देखेंगे तो पता चलेगा ना
But
रिएक्शन.
news तो फिर-
न्यूज़ तो ठीक है, मतलब साथ भी रहते हैं तो उनके लिए था कि अच्छा एक वेकेशन लेने गए हैं अंदर साथ. अब जब फिल्म देखेंगे दोनों साथ देखेंगे तब पता चलेगा.
तो एक proud moment.
मेरी मॉम तो सेंटी है, वो सेंटी हो जाएगी.
Also, Saqib, one message to all your fans.
The message to all my fans is watch all my movies, watch all the other things that I'm doing, and more than that, believe in yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself, nobody will. तो बस ये मेरा मैसेज है. Just go out there, do what you want to do, but believe in yourself.